Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a project for experienced DIYers building your own electric match. Before we begin, a massive safety warning is needed. This involves fire and electricity. If you're not comfortable working with either, or are under 18, please, don't attempt this. This video is for informational purposes only, and I am not responsible for any injuries or damages. Understood? Okay, let's proceed with extreme caution. So, what's an electric match? It's a simple circuit to ignite a matchstick using electricity. This can be useful, but safety is paramount. The core is a heating element made from a very thin wire. The best is nichrome wire, a high-resistance alloy. Alternatively, use a fine strand from steel wool. Make sure it's a very thin strand. We need quick heating. Gather your materials. You'll need a matchstick standard, not safety, nichrome wire or steel wool. A battery 9-volt or LiPo work well. Be mindful of voltage and current. Higher voltage means faster heating, but higher risk. Electrical tape or heat shrink tubing is needed for insulation. Finally, you'll need small alligator clips, or a way to connect the wires to the battery terminals. Pliers help. Let's build it. First, unravel a very thin strand of nichrome wire or steel wool. The thinner, the faster it heats. Wrap this wire around the matchstick head. Ensure good contact, but don't damage the head. Cover the wire touching the matchstick with electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to prevent shorts. If using heat shrink tubing, use a heat gun or lighter. Extra care needed. Now, attach the alligator clips to the ends of the nichrome wire. Alternatively, solder wires for a secure connection. Time for the test. Connect the alligator clips to the battery. If wired correctly, the wire around the match head should heat up and ignite the match. If it doesn't, check connections and that the wire is making good contact. Ensure the wire strand isn't broken. Low voltage batteries might take a few seconds. If it doesn't heat up, double check your wiring and battery. And that's it. You've built your own electric match. But remember, this is dangerous. Supervise your work. Use eye protection. Work in a well-ventilated area, and have a fire extinguisher or water nearby. Never leave the electric match unattended when powered. Dispose of used matchsticks safely. Be extremely cautious and responsible. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay safe, and see you next time.